it's your girl LifeWithArrii, and today we are back with another vlog. So I might take you guys with me today. Hold on, let me log in. Okay, so yeah, I might vlog today for a little bit. Nothing crazy. I guess we're gonna do, well, not even a vlog, just another day with me at work as an ortho dental assistant on my no patient days. So that's what we're doing. Avoid my ear in the back. Like, we got a lot going on with the hair, but not too much. I couldn't find my earrings, so like none. But look at my skin. Like, can we get into that skin? Like, oh, okay, it's giving clear. But yeah, so pretty much, mind you guys, I just graduated from college in the dental field and everything, so I'm still fresh. Like, I'm still slowly getting in there and gravitating to things and learning, so bear with me. I'm pretty much just like, I'm like good, but like I'm still learning some things, so understand. Like, I'm like nervous. That is why I'm doing my little note cards. I'm gonna finish today because I'm almost done, but my plan is to do a little badge reel for myself, and really for like anybody else in ortho, like any other ortho dental assistants out there. First of all, we the ones, period. Like, we get that money. I'm so glad that I chose to be in ortho. Like, this is where it's at, for real. It's really, I'm learning. Like, it's taking some time for me to you know, just, oh my god, look at the turtle, y'all, look at it. I don't know if y'all see it, but it's there and it's super cute. But yeah, so like I was saying, it's not taking me a lot of time. Don't do too much. I'm just adjusting. Like, you know, when you first start somewhere, like I just started working here and I am adapting to everything, because I was originally, like, I come from peds and I knew that I never wanted to be in a daggone peds. But yeah, I was in peds. I'm not nervous or nothing like that. It's just me kind of just branching into ortho. Like, I love it so much. And when I was in class, like, literally I kind of was always like, yeah, I'm gonna be an ortho. Like, I knew it. I knew that I wanted to be an ortho, nothing else. Like, all the other what's the names was just like like, I wasn't here for them. But ortho, oh yeah. Like, I did my project on ortho. That is how I really knew, like, yeah, I'm gonna go for the field of ortho as an ortho assistant, because my goal is to branch into hygiene. So not like I have a goal, I have an end goal for like everything in life. Like, I have an end goal even after dentistry. Just like how I went and did CNA, my end goal was going to be RN, and then I changed it. So everyone else that I've seen is in dentist field, but they're in peds. I'm not a peds person. Like, I was a teacher, I love babies and all that stuff, but working in their mouth is a different story than working with just them. Personally, it was not for me. I think I'm going to start a new series for right now of a day in my life, and I have a couple more coming, so please do stay tuned. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. Do stay tuned, because I will be posting more. It's just like I have to you know, work, and I have other things going on as well outside of this. So yeah. I'm watching this turtle, y'all, and it is so freaking cute. But yeah, I'm about to lock in, finish out these notes, because the plan is to go and make it a badge reel. I want to make that for everybody else that comes after me, because like they have, like, you know, a little binder. They have a whole binder, correction. I'm gonna actually show you guys. Hold on. This is the binder that we pretty much just like study from. Yeah, it's got everything in here though. Like, it really does. Pretty much just shows like everything that we would need to know when taking a pen, when taking pictures, because, you know, in ortho you do a lot of different things, but the main thing that you really need to know is the abbreviations. we abbreviate everything in ortho, which honestly I love that, especially like at a young age, because like we already abbreviate stuff anyhow. Like, so yep, it goes over the abbreviations that we need to know, appointment types as well. So every procedure is different, but they all pertain to ortho. So like braces, you don't just do braces, we do aligners as well. So yeah, there's a lot of different things that are going on here. There's a lot of different procedures. It's really fascinating if you really like are interested in it. Also, our tooth chart is different. So probably like, I think now I forgot, but like in general, it's just that regular count, where in ortho it is Palmer notations. I'm probably not saying it right, but it's Palmer count. We count the teeth through Palmers. So there's your midline here, right, 8 and so on, 9 and so on. But this is how we do our count, and it counts off like this. So what that basically means is it's the regular way we would count, like the general way of counting your teeth is like that, but it's split into 4 quadrants. And that's how it is when we do our bracket pads as well. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and pretty much it'll just be like 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and then on the other side it'll be quadrant 2. So you would count it 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, and so on. The bottom would fall down into quadrant 3, and you would count it 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, and then on the other side, same thing. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7, 4, 8. Boom. So it's split into 4 quadrants, and you use that for the number of the quadrant to count the teeth, basically. Now, in class, it sounded like, what? I was nervous, guys. I was like, hold on, wait a minute. What do you mean? It felt like it was more to it, but in person, like when you're actually doing it and you're there, it's like, oh no, it's not that bad. It's like 1, 1, 2, 2. Like this is the quadrant 1, and you're just counting from that. It's kind of like writing in scripture form, kind of. Like not a lot, not completely, not a lot, but a little bit. So this is the permanent dentition for like adults, pretty much. Like permanent fall under adults only, most likely. Like if it's not permanent, then it's a primary, and that means it's a kid. But yeah, so it's just a lot more to it, and if you're interested in dentistry, like I think you should totally get into it, especially if you don't know what you want to do in life. Like there's a lot of different things that you can do though, but if you're a person that wants to be hands-on, invest your time correctly. I'll do another video on the different pathways to take in life without just going to college, because even if you do go to college and you do something like I did, times nowadays is different. You can go to college for any pathway that you desire, and literally you can get it funded, you can pay, you can do whatever you want to do to get your career on board. I definitely will be doing a more in-depth video like that, because people need to know, like there's many different things that you can do. I didn't know this stuff until like now, and I'm so glad that I found out. I'm 23, going on 24 this year. And honestly, I'm glad that I know what I know now, because it's helped me a lot. Like it really, really has. And now I can take that and use it to my advantage. But yeah, enough of me talking and rambling on. I am going to go and finish my note cards. Once I'm finished, I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully, I'm able to laminate them today. Plan is to put them on a little badge rail. And yeah. And I have a lot of them at home from CNA still, so like I'm going to use one of them and just call it a day or whatever. I have to go ahead, lock in, finish them out, because I'm almost done. I just want them to be correct. That way, people that come after me can use them for themselves for a better understanding of each procedure. There's the setup and everything like that. I'll show you guys a more in-depth of how it looks in the format that I have it in, so that way there is no confusion. But yeah, until then, it's your girl LifeWithArrii, and stay tuned. So yeah. All right. So this is how it's going so far. I've gotten a lot more done. I'm gonna finish these and then show you guys. All right, y'all, so now we are doing the brackets, pads, and so far I've completed, I look crazy, but yeah, so far I have completed like about 4. I can actually show you them, and I want to show you guys how they work as well. But this is so much fun. Okay. All right, so this is how they look. There's like one more right here as well. But yeah, I've got a couple of them done. You basically just pull from this little palette here, and you put the teeth where they go. So like this little palette here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is your upper left, and then no, I'm sorry, upper right, upper left, lower right, which means this is going to be, it'll be like 1 2 1 2 4 3, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I have to look back because it's so like weird on the other side of you, on the opposites. But yeah, you basically handy dandy instrument here, and you would pull from each of these. So this is like the midline, right? 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Usually not really 7s are used. Left side 2 1 2 2 2, and that's pretty much how you would label off the bracket pads as well, which I personally find it to be very, very therapeutic. Once I'm finished, I will go back to knocking out that. And hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm a little quiet. My lip gloss is going out. But yeah, like this is so much fun to me, and for me, I was like, I want to do the bracket pads. Let me do the bracket pads. So if you hear somebody in the background, it's just my employees. They're all here. Everybody else is here now, so yeah. I wish I could show you guys, like hold the phone and show you. And sometimes it's best to like redirect this. You guys are enjoying this content too. I have my glasses on. Yeah, I do. Because when you look really close to these brackets, it can play with your eyes. And when you have these kind of brackets, the hook has to go up. And your uppers, this is your 6s. The hooks and the colors always go up toward the gum line, where on the mandible, yeah, let me use the terms. On your max, the color and the hooks will go towards your gum line, whereas on your mandible, the hooks and colors will go towards your gum lines as well. But obviously it's the opposite directions because top and bottom. So that's just a little like way to keep in mind exactly how to do that.
Lost in the world where cartoons are drawing attention, and I try to stay on the path to greatness. Can't seem to stay in the loop of the latest. I wonder what you're doing 25 days. Couldn't sleep, so I think I'll be running there. Look in your eyes, I see that you love me.
It's your girl LifeWithArrii once again, like I said, and we are back. If you made it this far, I hope you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I look sleepy, but I'm not. Your girl got it done. Went as far as making a cute little cover. But yep, I got all of them. I even was able to get all of the abbreviations. I got to get them laminated. Now the next thing to do is to make my badge rails and cut them nose. So I really hope you guys have enjoyed this day with me as a orthodontist.
I see that you love me. Being with me on this one just ain't good. Are you ready for the ride? I hope you're ready for the ride.
Like, I don't have to deal with no nonsense as a customer service representative. Like, no. But yes, your girl LifeWithArrii is out. Bye.
This shit too decent. Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shorty so bad.